How's it going, everyone? I'm Mike and welcome back on Top Crypto, and today we're going to talk about another high potential project called Invest Voyager. But before we start, please notice our disclaimer. Since I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for information and educational purposes only, so without further ado, let's begin. Introducing the Voyager, a crypto asset platform that provides retail and institutional customers with a robust yet simple solution to trade, invest in and earn yield rewards for maintaining a minimum balance in certain crypto assets. Voyager offers high-quality execution and safe custody on a wide variety of popular crypto assets. Voyager was founded by established Wall Street and Silicon Valley entrepreneurs to create more choice, transparency, and a cost-efficient alternative for trading crypto assets. Voyager want to introduce the Voyager Debitcard. What is the Voyager Debit Mastercard? The Voyager Debit Mastercard is a USD coin-backed debit card which gives you the power to easily spend USD coin like cash and earn rewards on the balance in your Voyager account. What is USD coin? USD coin, USDC, is a stablecoin, which means that the value is 1:1 with the US dollar. On Voyager, you can swap your dollars for USD coins with no additional fees. Plus, when you swap to USD coin, you can earn up to 9% annual rewards on Voyager when you hold a minimum monthly average balance of $100 in USD coin. It is like an ATM card where you can store your earnings and funds, completely private, and cannot be touched by hackers and other people. If you get early access, you can earn 9% rewards, a debit card that earns like crypto and spends like cash, all from your Voyager account. Use everywhere Debit Mastercard is accepted. Boost your rewards with the Voyager Loyalty Program Rewards Voyager Token, VGX, holders with special Voyager debit card bonuses, like a monthly rewards booster, crypto back on purchases, and more. Learn more about what the Voyager Loyalty Program can do for you. Stay up to date to the Voyager's announcement, where they announce their latest rewards, and what are the digital assets they support today, and stay up to date for what are the upcoming events. Build your wealth, earn rewards on your crypto, and let your crypto work for you. With the Voyager Earn program, you can actively trade and earn rewards at the same time. Here's how it works. We are currently offering some of the assets below. And as you can see, here is the percentage of our January rewards and what are their monthly balance. You can choose on where you want to be at our assets. We will give the status of your account balance. With a 70+ assets, we will continue to expand our support of coins throughout 2022. Here is some of our currently supported assets on Voyager, and soon we will support more assets on the near future. Commission-free at 100%. Commission-free, our dynamic smart order router identifies inefficiencies in the crypto market and takes advantage of pricing disparities to get you a better price on your trades. When we beat our quoted price, we take a fraction of the savings and pass the rest on to you, allowing us to offer commission-free trading. In short, we only make money when you save money. Crypto moves fast, really fast, and even a few seconds can mean significant gains or losses. With Voyager's liquidity network, orders execute instantly, so you can take full advantage of the crypto market's volatility. Instant account funding helps our customers get into the market and trading commission risk in a matter of minutes. Buy, sell, and trade. With USD, Voyager makes it easy to open an account and start trading with USD. We support bank transfers up to $5,000 and let you begin trading deposited funds instantly. We also offer deposits and withdrawals of basic attention token, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, Tether, USD Coin, True USD, and Voyager Token. More coins coming soon. Secure your financial freedom. Publicly traded, licensed, and regulated, honesty and transparency are our top priorities. Voyager is audited to ensure every asset is accounted for in our secure system. Advanced fraud protection. Rest assured knowing our advanced technology is preventing hackers and fraud, always securing your funds. FDIC insured on $250,000 US. Our banking partner that holds your USD is FDIC insured, so the cash you hold with Voyager is protected. Meet the Voyager Token. The new Voyager Token, VGX 2.0, boosts your crypto earning potential even higher with 7% staking rewards. Plus, you can boost your earnings on other cryptos, get crypto back rewards, and more. Earn 7% staking rewards on VGX. Hold your VGX on the Voyager app and earn 7% staking rewards deposited into your account each month, with no lockups or limits. Cashback icon. Get crypto back rewards. When it comes to your crypto, every Satoshi counts. That's why we introduced crypto-back rewards on trades. Boost your earnings. Hold VGX on Voyager and boost your earnings even higher. Get up to 1.5% extra rewards on top of our industry-leading standard rates. Introducing the Voyager Loyalty Program. When you hold VGX in the Voyager app, you can join the Voyager Loyalty Program. The more you hold, the higher you climb, the greater the rewards. Join today to become an adventurer, explorer, or navigator. Multiple ways to stake your tokens. Example: if you're a Voyager customer, if you already have an active Voyager account, your tokens will be automatically staked in the Voyager app and earn the same rewards as the portal. If you're based in the US, except New York, we recommend staking your tokens by holding them in the app. Next is web staking. If you do not currently have a Voyager account or are an international token holder, use the web-based portal to stake your tokens by connecting your MetaMask wallet following the instructions below. MetaMask logo. Install MetaMask on your Google Chrome or Brave browser. Deposit your VGX or LGO into your MetaMask wallet. Connect your MetaMask wallet to stake your tokens. Confirm the amount of tokens you'd like to stake, then process both the initial and confirmation transactions. Once you unstake your tokens in the portal, you'll receive your original balance, plus the tokens you earned from staking directly back to your MetaMask wallet. Here are the teams and founders of Voyager. First we have Stephen Ehrlich, the Chief Executive Officer and co-founder. Mr. Ehrlich is a brokerage and market structure veteran, who founded Lightspeed Financial, a retail broker-dealer where he was responsible for 8 major acquisitions. Previously Mr. Ehrlich was a CEO of E-Trade Professional Trading LLC, the professional trading arm of E-Trade Financial, which purchased by Lightspeed in 2006. Next is Philip Eiton. He started his career as a telecom Manda analyst at Morgan Stanley, then managed a distressed debt portfolio at Cerberus Capital. He has since been the founding investor in Livestream, sold to IAC, and Socure, cybersecurity, and was an early investor in Uber. He also co-founded digital healthcare startup Pager. Gaspard de Droitzy. He is an entrepreneur who started his career as an advisor to Warner Music in 2008. He founded Capital, an online broker built in partnership with BNY Mellon and IHS Markit. He also co-founded fintech startup Tradeit, a leading investing API platform backed by Peter Thiel, as well as Pager, a digital healthcare startup. Oscar Salazar, a global leader in building consumer-driven mobile applications and experience. Mr. Salazar is well known for his involvement in Uber, as its founding architect and chief technology. And right here is the partners of Voyager. We have Fireblocks, Ledger, and BitGo, Socure, Cumberland, Google, Coinbase, and many more. And now let's go visit the Voyager's Twitter page, and let us see their pinned post, introducing the Voyager Debitcard. This card earns like crypto, and you can spend it like cash, all from your Voyager account. Use it everywhere because Debit MasterCard is accepted everywhere. Pre-register today. Reserve your card. Voyager joined Twitter back on March 2018, and it currently has 136K followers. And that's all for Voyager. Come visit our channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates on Top Crypto channel. Thank you for watching.